Hi, my name is Robert and my metric number is 60214. Today I would like to talk about the introduction of Stanley. Stanley is the first name of tape measurement and tested worldwide for accuracy and efficiency. Stanley World is a manufacturing of a broad range of tools and hardware for home improvement, customer, industrial, and their professional application. Stanley is a global manufacturer. Their product facilities, they are proudly reputed facility for excellence and dedicated to test to continue testing, designing and improving their product to ensure the qualities and the maximize function. Stanley, also known as the oldest industrial and successfully company in high-bound industry metalworks, and has proved that extremely vulnerable for foreign and all the users.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Adil Ridwan bin Musa, and today on my part I'm gonna to explain on the forecasting and the resource planning for the company named Stanley Hardware. On this report, it will be discussing and quantifying the outlook for the general economy in the coming year is prepared by each August in time to be used by the division in developing their manual operation budget. The economic climate is updated quarterly as the year progresses. In general, the production lines are being controlled by the production control manager, one of the Stanley's division, as it is often most efficient to plan the product line as a part of manufacturing schedule, including items from the other product lines. The planner first step is to compare year-to-date average weekly for the sales for each item with its recent weekly sales then being observed by the marketing manager and the marketing plans. The outcome of the data comparison and the consultation is a forecast of the weekly manufacturing volume necessary to keep each of the items on or near an inventory target expressed in number of weeks supply. Next, to detect those items whose forecasts require revision and facilitated by the Stanley Hardware. For the Stanley Works, they are using an exponentially weighted moving average for calculate each item weekly unit sales. For the next topic is the resource planning. Resource planning is defined as a process that takes sales and operation plans, process information in the way of time standards, routines, and other information on how services or products are produced, then plans the input requirement. By doing material requirement planning can help the manufacturers to manage the demand inventory and schedule replacement orders needed to produce a new product. For the manufacturing industry, for example, Stanley Works, time is valuable to estimate how much product needed for forecasting. Precision in planning lead time is important for the estimation of the time between placing an order and receiving the item in the inventory. In planning lead time, it consists of the setup time, processing time, material handling time between the operation, and waiting time to produce the new product. From this point, the production planner will make the estimation production to control the forecast. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mama Afrika. So penasan metric number 61545. So today I will talk about the capacity planning and the production control of Stanley hardware. So let's start. The production of the new product depend on the capacity planning of the company, Stanley hardware and tools. The capacity of the product design is the maximum production of the company itself. Stanley Hardware should make the capacity planning just in a simple steps, actually in 3 steps only. So first step is to determine the demand of the customer needs, as it would classify as the work done by the system and the survey from the customer itself, the Stanley Hardware customer. So the next step is to find and resolve the current capacity, which is important to determine how it meet customer requirement, the CR. So the final step, the third step, is to planning up ahead by do forecasting on the current product and a new product by forecasting the future business of the company itself. The production of Stanley Hardware and Tools, which is in Malaysia, is responsible for planning and controlling the production schedule by production planning department. Four fundamental capacities ready to be recognized. First is controlling, second is arranging, third is dispatching, and the last one is making restorative movements. So if the real execution goes amiss from the arranged presentations, the production plan, just as a generation plan arranged that need take 1 month in the arranging stage. In hardware manufacturing production planning is categorized by high complexity and uncertain because of variety of product and parameter, such as operation times, capacity of production produce, change in production capacity, change in production mix, and many times delay, such as component parts that need to be investigated and checked before proceed to the next level. So this is the end of me. So next I will pass to my fellow colleagues, Amirul Aizad, for the next part. So thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and hi to the Dr. Mac. Today, my name is Amirul Izzat and I will talk about inventory control. The company's competitive advantage is due in part to its ability to develop and introduce new products in a timely manner at favorable margins. The uncertainties associated with developing and introducing new products, such as market demand and cost of development and production, may impede the successful development and introduction of new products on consistent basis. Introduction of new technology may result in higher costs to the company than that of the technology replaced. that increase in cost, which may continue indefinitely or until increased demand and greater availability in the source of the new technology drive down its costs, could adversely affect the company's result of operations. Market acceptance of the new product introduced in recent years and scheduled for introduction in future years may not meet sales expectation due to various factors, such as the failure to accurately predict market demand, end user preference, evolving industry standards, or emergence of new or disruptive technology. Moreover, the ultimate success profitability of the new product may depend on the company's ability to resolve technical and technological challenges in a timely and cost-effective manner, and to achieve manufacturing efficiencies. The company's investment in productive capacity and commitments to fund advertising and product promotions in connection with this new product could erode profits if those expectations are not met. The company is committed to continuous productivity improvement and evaluating opportunities to reduce fixed costs, simplify or improve processes, and eliminate excess capacity. The company has undertaken restructuring actions, the savings of which may be mitigated by many factors, including economic weakness, competitive pressure, and decision to increase costs in areas such as sales, promotion, or research and development above levels that were otherwise assumed. Failure to achieve or delays in achieving projected levels of efficiency and cost saving from such measures, or unanticipated inefficiencies resulting from manufacturing and administrative reorganization actions in progress or contemplated, would adversely affect the company's result. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
And today, I would like to talk about our conclusion of this assignment. As a conclusion, Stanley is one of the major tools and hardware manufacturers for home, customer, industrial, and professional application because of the continued testing, designing, improving their product to ensure the qualities. The research and development technology, producing process technology, and quality innovation. This is to motivate behind who organize can support economic and financial status during time spent contending with others manufacturing giants. Thank you.